How to insert table of contents in Word. So if you want to insert table of contents in Word, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Word document. Now after opening your Word document, you need to just scroll down, and as you can see that here I have the heading, right? So you can scroll down and here you will have the heading, and as you can see that I have the table of contents. So if you want to create the same kind of table of contents, then what you need to do is first you need to focus on the headings. So this is the first heading, and this one is the second heading, and this is the third heading. So in order to create this first, second, and third headings, you just need simply go with the section. Like for example, I want to set this certificate as the first heading. So what you need to do is just simply click on the word, or you can just simply select it. After selecting, you can go to the top and you need to click on heading 1. Once you click on heading 1, it will be set as heading 1. After that, again scroll down, and if you want to set this one also as a heading 1, then you can again select this one and click on heading 1, and again scroll down and go with this table of contents, select the table of contents, and then go with heading 1. Now scroll down again and select this one. I'll set executive summary as heading 1. After that, this introduction will also be in heading 1. And once you have done with the heading 1, now if you want to add the subheadings, then you just need to simply select the subheadings. After selecting the subheading, you need to click on heading 2. Again scroll down, and if you again have the subheading, you can again select that and then click on heading 2. In the same way, if you have a third heading, like 1 is the introduction and 1.1 is the second heading, right? So if you have 1.3.1, which is the subheading, so if you have this kind of interface, then you just need to simply select this one also, and you need to go with heading 3, and do this with all of your document. After selecting, you can just go with insert, and under insert you will have table of contents, but if you don't have it right here, then you may have that option under your references. So go with references, and here you will have table of contents. Just click on table of contents and you will have this kind of interface. So you can just simply select the heading 1, 2, and 3, and once you click on it, then your table of contents will be created automatically. And if you want to do some adjustments, then you can go and add some adjustments or do some modifications. After that, you can just click on the table, and then you can go with update table, and you can update the page numbers if you want to, or you can update the entire table. In this way, you'll be able to create table of contents. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.